Hi everybody, it's Brian. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe and everything's great and awesome. Just to let you know, thank you very much. We've hit 5,000 subs, 5,200, I think 84, something like that. Just to let you know, there's a free drawing. If you want to be entered into the free drawing, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is subscribe, like, and then put some kind of comment. You can put anything random. You can put like
that works.
yeah, something like that, or just a letter A or a B or C or whatever. Just make sure you subscribe, like, put a comment, and you're entered to win. We've got a this card. No, we've got a few sponsors now, which is great, and there's you're entered in a drawing to win up to well, it's going to be $600 when we hit 6,000 on the subscribers. So this is David. He's going to show us some magic. So we're going to do something completely different today. So I hope you enjoy and have a great day. So
Why'd you put that on your head?
I didn't hear it.
It has nothing to do with that. So he has a card on his head with a little purple rubber band, and we have a little purple marker. So if you would take the marker there,
Okay.
and you know what? Actually, before we do that, hold on to the purple marker. Tap it 3 times and go, I love you, I love you, I love you.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
I can't believe you did that. Okay, so here we go. So before we start here, you keep the relax with the purple marker and stuff. We'll use that in a minute. But okay. Oh, we need some music. Can we put music on without having to pay major royalties and stuff like that?
No, they freak out with royalties.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
Can we sing? Oh. Okay, so watch very carefully. You can look over at me. You don't have to be like. Okay, here we go. So I watch very carefully here, okay? Because it's just wipe it like that. And it literally, I mean, it changes. It turns inside out.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. And now, this. Put it in your milk. And put your hand out like this. Yeah. No. Actually, what I'm going to do, take the 3 and the heart there, okay? And put it on your hand like that. Now, feel it. Go ahead. Just feel it and see if it changes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Now, what we're going to do is go like this. And what I want you to do is just tap like this. Just tap. But then as you come over this edge where you can see it's white, it's white, start to rub on the card now. Like you're changing it. Yes, like you're changing it. That's right. Like you're changing it. Stop right there. There you go. And lift up the card. Even where I didn't touch. Only you did. And it's changed, isn't it?
Yep.
And look at this. The card is, and it's done with. Card.
Oh, wow. That's,
Matches this one. No.
that's cool.
You check that out. We're going to be giving these things out.
It's a regular card. So it's pretty cool.
Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to go like this. Normally what I do is I'm like, now, okay, just do just as I say. I'm going to just, and I'm like, and stick out your tongue. I just kidding. Next, here's what we're going to do. Put one hand here, and one hand here like this, okay? And we're going to take the pieces. Okay, I'm going to turn it just a little. Here we go. Oh, we thought we're supposed to do YouTube the whole time, right? So there we go. Okay, right. No, just kidding. Here we go.
That's pretty cool. Yep. That's pretty amazing.
And now, a little thing that's the little thing I do in Magic. So I'm not that good at like 2 cards or more. Though I do train my cards quite well. You can have them just jump across like this, maybe jump right back like that. Let me see. Let's get a card. Maybe this this gal here. Would you sign her with the purple marker?
Sure.
Like that. Thank you very much.
On the front?
Yeah. Sign it like you're signing checks. No, just kidding. Let's see, what was I going to do here?
They show everybody?
You showed it to him.
Yeah.
No, just kidding. Okay. So here's what we're going to do.
I'm not going to know Sam's jokes.
I'm going to, in a moment, I'm going to okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take your card here, and what I want you to do is just pinch it right there, and just hold it and freeze it in space, right like that. There you go. Okay, there we go. There. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to take the two of hearts here. Back on camera. Show YouTube constantly. Hold on. Oh, no. Okay, no, that's great. So here we are. So you got your card. The Queen of Spades. Okay, signed and all that. So so notice the two, what it looks like. Yeah. But if I do something strange, like I go like this and change, make it look different, you'll probably notice it. But watch very carefully. Here we go. Your signature. Go ahead and turn your card over.
Oh, wow.
Now, ta-da! Oh, I know what it's going to do. Hold on, let me see. We need, let me see your hands for a second. Okay, let me see. Oh, we could do this. We could actually do this. We could do this. Tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna do. Okay, hold on to the quarter here like this. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Let's do. Oh, put your hand over here. Okay. And go like this. Okay. And we're gonna energetically move the coin around to this hand. So but I'm gonna send energy over. It's got to go here and come back. Whoa, make it come around to here, and make it come back. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Now keep going. Okay. So we're just kind of like this. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to close your eyes for a sec. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes and close the eyeballs. Okay. Did you feel it happen? Did you feel it happen? No. Tell you what. Let's see here. We're gonna. Okay. Open your eyes. Did you feel it come over to this hand? And then it went back?
No.
No, I know. Actually, I think you've, let's see. Hold me up here.
Okay,
do we
Google,
have
stop.
to end now, or can we keep watching?
Keep going.
Okay, sounds good. Here we go. We take the coin like this here. Put it over here. Hold on. Let's see. Think of that here. I'll put that in your milk. He did.
Thanks.
I was like, well, I don't know if we're drinking that milk and everything. Now, oh, you had your tape to your
Head?
yes.
Okay.
Here. Oh, I want a couple of those hairs. Oh no! Sorry.
Yeah. I've lost enough as it is.
Hair. Oh, ta-da! Oh, here's. That was not a distraction.
Yeah.
There it is. Okay, so go ahead and open the card.
Oh,
And there's the card that we
the
signed.
sand, yeah. That's
Signed the
amazing.
entire time.
Wow. That's amazing.
So I'm appearing like on street corners and stuff, and I can show up at your door with a mask, and you can like beat me off and throw money at me.
Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget, if you subscribe, like, and put some kind of comment, you're automatically entered into the drawing from the sponsor, and you can win up to 600. One person at random will be randomly picked that's subscribed, likes, and comments, and they'll win $600. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and stay safe. Thanks.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, and I forgot to mention our gift. We have a special gift.
What's that?
It's this watch that I thought we could...
That's my watch.
That is your watch.
Oh my God.
The next 3 people that... No, okay, you might want to keep that, so...
All right, cool.
Take care, everybody.
Thank you.